Well, I am having so much fun today making football-friendly food inspired by the new college rivalry between my two daughters. I'm making Pickin cake. This one's for Paige. It's a nod to her school, Arkansas. I just added a package of yellow cake mix to the mixer, and I'm gonna drop in a stick of softened butter, and then I'll turn the mixer on very low and let this start mixing. And I'm gonna drizzle in half a cup of syrup from a can of mandarin oranges. Mandarin oranges figure prominently in Pickin cake. Okay, it's mixing away. It's so easy to use a cake mix, and really this cake is so delicious you won't even know you didn't make the cake from scratch. I've got 4 eggs that I cracked into a pitcher. I'm gonna turn up the mixer a little bit, and I'll add them one at a time. Pigs are very important at University of Arkansas. The Razorback is the school's mascot. I thought Pickin cake would be just the thing. It's a great cake to take to barbecues. In fact, that's where it got its name. And it's also great for potlucks. The eggs are in, and I'll add a splash of vanilla. And now I just need to let the cake batter mix for 4 minutes. The batter looks light and fluffy, and I just have to add one more thing. I've got the mandarin oranges from the can I told you about, and I'm gonna add them in, and then I just want them to mix a little bit. I don't want to totally break them up. This is a really moist cake, and what's delicious about it is how you ice it and decorate it on the outside. That looks delicious. Look at those juicy bits of mandarin oranges. Oh my goodness. It's so funny, when I was a little girl, I did not like mandarin oranges. I thought they were strange. And now I can't get enough of them. Now I'm gonna get this into a greased pan. It's so funny learning all the little traditions of each of my daughter's schools. If you meet somebody from Texas A&M, you put your thumbs up and say, "Gig 'em." If you meet somebody that went to Arkansas, it's always, "Woo pig." Now the cake is ready for the oven. The cake bakes at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Then I'll take it out and let it cool for an hour. And put it on a platter. Don't worry if the bottom is a little rough looking, it's gonna get covered up with deliciousness. A Pickin cake needs a delicious frosting, and this is just the one. I'm gonna add 4 ounces of softened cream cheese to the mixer, along with half a cup of powdered sugar. You don't even need to sift it. This cake is not that fancy. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on very slowly so powdered sugar won't go everywhere. Now I need to beat it until it's smooth. It takes a couple of minutes, then I'll transfer it to a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of vanilla to the mixer, along with 1.5 cups of cold heavy cream, and whip it for 2 minutes until soft peaks form. Then add the cream cheese mixture back in and whisk everything for about 3 minutes. When stiff peaks form, it's ready. So I'll fold in a 20-ounce can of drained crushed pineapple, then spread the heavenly frosting all over the cake. I'll put it in the fridge to set, then adorn it with mandarin slices just before serving. Well, in football, there has to be a winner and a loser. Make this for all your future football gatherings, and you'll be a winner every time.